Like, I was immature, I'm used to disrespectful, I'm used to always feel like everybody was against me. No, I might not be 30, 40, but July the 8th, I'm a 22-year-old. I think that I'm mature.
So in part 1 of the DBS exclusive interview with Iheartmanii, he spoke about life at Camperdown, he talked briefly about family, and shared a sad moment where he spent some time in jail.
I was locked up for 2 months, 3 weeks, and 5 days.
Now let's continue the chat with part 2 of the interview with Mani.
You had a very dark past, like as much as we said the jovial you, we just feel like there's a lot more behind that.
Listen, everything, like all of the bad stuff that I do, like I'm not justifying my actions or everything, but if I had a family that was like supportive, you know, that helped, like, I'm not even bashing none of my family member, cause like right now I'm grown, I'm 21 years old right now. You see me? So like, I'm kinda over it. You see me? And I'm in a space right now in my life where, like, it's best to just leave the bad stuff alone. And I can't talk about it like this now because, like, I'm past it and I'm happy.
Have you overcome? Cause I guess we can share. But reason I reading and make me know say at one point, you used to, think about like, ending your life and stuff like that and
it was like for a brief 5 minutes.
I mean still, but it's still you tell me so like that come to like cut yourself and them stuff they like
it was alright, so what happened was, as like my mom had kicked me out. Right, from I was 17.
So that was in the same point, or like
this was like, it's been happening like this. I've been going through this, and bro, this is a story. This video would be like 2 hours long, bro.
Yeah. So
I have to summarize for you, like. So before she did really left me to the world, left me to the dogs. When she did kick me out, she used to rent places for me.
Okay.
And I would have to go get my own food.
Okay.
So she was renting this place for me, and like she and the landlord must have fall out, and the landlord want me out. I was working at the time. I was working at a call center, but I got laid off. That's what I was told. The boss said, "Yo, we're laying you guys off." So we got laid off, and my mom and the landlord fall out. So she say, "Yo, you have to leave, go find somewhere." And I don't know where to go. I was working, I was 18.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess I was 18 or 19, I think. One of those ages, I'm not sure. But you don't know. Me old enough, so me supposed to can go. You see me?
Yeah, you're a man.
Yeah, anyway, so she's renting this place for me, and she just out of the blues, "Yo, you have to leave. And I'm like, where should I go, mommy? Easy me, I don't know what to do. Anyway, she called JPS and tell JPS to lock off the light on me.
Oh wow.
So I living in the house for a couple months, no light. She called the water company and tell them cut off the water on me. So I live in there with no light, no water. Mind you, I was making my videos though.
You had started YouTube at that time?
Oh yeah, of course. I didn't start getting paid yet though.
Okay. So that was like when you were doing the invisible object prank, like in the middle of the road?
Yes.
Wait till you see the no. Look at the top of his head.
Okay, around that time. Oh wow.
Yes.
Wow, I wouldn't even have known. That's when they just started pre stuff online. I mean, like, wow, I wouldn't even
I'm
have
telling
known.
you that if I tell you all the stories of all the stuff, like my mother kicked me out and I live on the road, I catch a people, yeah. The TVJ interview that I did, I was homeless. I didn't live anywhere. I was living at a person's grandfather's house. I didn't know the guy. He just did have a room and just did not say, yo, mother put me out and I have nowhere to go. But he might do this video thing. And him really consistent and him believe in it. Yeah. So if you believe in your dreams, go for it, cause it will work.
So crazy, like, one of the it still sort of surprises me, like the level of ease that you seem to just talk about these things like so casually. Is either that you've removed the emotions from them, or you are just at a place where you are over.
I'm at a place where
you're just over.
I'm over it, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I don't care. Like, I'm just happy that I'm able to buy food. That's just the best. I don't know if y'all love food, but yeah.
And that's all because of YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Like because of YouTube, because
watch the ads.
I still the situation, because I you know, like I can definitely relate with your that situation with your mother, and I've always said that as teens, it seems almost like it's expected that you go through this moment where it's like you and your parents just can't agree. It's like gonna become so there's a lot of conflict. I don't know how to describe it, but like I was thrown out as well. Several times, like over 16 times, I was like, yo, come out of my house, you think you're a man, and things thrown out as well, so I had to deal with that. And so when you told me about it, I was just like, wait, other people are going through this, and I'm pretty sure that if the Burritos who are watching right now, they've gone through it as well, because I think it's really at a time where you're becoming an adult, you're having your own ideas of how you want to function as an independent person, but then you're still kind of you're still kind of dependent on a parent figure, and then them now realize the change that is happening and want to kind of take ownership of the person that them create, and so it causes some sort of conflict where you not get for them where them come from, and them not get where you come from, and it's just like this tug and war we end up going where usually the child end up as like a casualty.
Yep. I mean, to be honest, bro, like some parents.
Ledge, omnipotent, setting me dead, lamp on my legs, try your ends.
My place.
Yo, me have some friends who have some parents who me envy, brother. Like Italia, mother me envy that girl much. Even though she say her mother miserable and whatever about blows.
But that's like the miserable way you would wish they have, right? Like I did just that type of thing.
Boy, I'm not even know, my mother different in a brother.
Are you guys, do you hope to get at a better place with your mother? Because I'm also at that place where me and try to kind of make sure so we get fully good.
Alright, so there's a thing that I don't do repetitiveness. Like me and my mother relationship, it's me not gonna lie, me used to be a really troublesome youth.
Not shocking.
Like may I talk to the people right now? Like when I was 17, 18, like I was immature, I'm used to disrespectful, I'm used to always feel like everybody was against me. No, I might not be 30, 40, but July the 8th, me a 22-year-old. I think that I'm mature. Me and my stepfather, which is why my mother kicked me out, we can have a conversation right now. Yeah, like I'm grown. Like, and I like me I got diss him like I used to diss him when I was 16. You understand? So like, shit, what was I saying again?
No, you were talking about just like how grown you have become, and that you were a troublesome kid.
Yes,
but
so like
you've grown.
I've grown now, and I try fix my relationship with my mother, even though when I'm big. But this time she kicked me out again, and I shaded, brother. It wasn't me this time. she was the one that messed up. Like she loved me, but she don't love me like a son. That's all that's the best way I can explain my mother. She loved me, but she don't love me like a son. That's the best way. Well, let me explain that a little bit deeper, sorry. My mom left Jamaica when I was 3. I was her only child. She went to Venezuela, which is a Spanish-speaking country.
Yes.
She came back 8 years after. Now I'm 12, and she came back with a little girl. So now I have a sister. You understand me?
Yeah.
So when I say, like, me not really know my mother. Like
the last time, and you know,
so now we are trying to build a relationship, but it was so at the time.
It felt like a little too little, too late. That's what it
Not
felt
even.
like.
I don't know. I just wish I have the brain I have now. I wish I could just give the younger Kimani for just like I wish I was just mature and just
know how to cope and handle things.
Yeah, and just make things fly, brother. Cause no, we don't ever talk, and the reason why is because it's always repetitive. Every time I try to talk to this lady,
I was like, every time. I really, honestly, at one point I never really liked the idea. So I hope the Tony can get back together to a good place where they can.
No,
cool.
It's too repetitive.
Yeah, but also like
She's
every
too
time
toxic.
Yeah, but every time we reason, you know, bro.
I love you though.
Yeah, man, say yo. Every time we reason, I can tell say yo, your mom, she still holds that place in your heart. Like you can't grow and front it.
Yeah, I said she loved me, but not like a son.
Yeah, but never
That's
that. But
the
you
best
check for your mommy as well too. That's why I try to get it like as much as you go on cool, like as if you wouldn't want the type of affection there and the warmth there. You do, cause you reason about it. And so I still feel say yo, it's a place where you really want things to get to a good place. I know that you don't have to communicate it, but no say that love feet get great. To the point where you can call and everything.
But we live in a world where we don't always get what we want.
That's facts, but like we gotta just put out the energy out there and hope say in time whenever it needs to happen, that sort of healing will.
The harsh truth is the only reason my mother would like want to be in my life right now is because I'm not struggling anymore. Well, that's the hard truth.
Well, so let me just go on to like something a little bit more positive. What make it initially start to like do YouTube? So you've had that year and I hope say you pretty much like apologize and deal with that whole jail situation, and then you say okay, I'm mature now, I'm learn, and I think you told me that you had a business.
Oh yeah, I had a loan business. What? Oh my god.
You had a loan business?
I had a whole loan business, brother. Like all of my friends them used to lend them money like 10.
And this is you as a teenager?
Yeah.
A hustler the little thing? Wow.
Yeah. And me used to get like 10% interest.
Yeah.
But me did thief, cause me want money in 2 weeks. And I lend my money to teenagers. How them I get them money and thing. But me end up stop lending teenagers.
Yeah.
And cause me start for try like did a legal way, and I got loan contracts and
okay.
I got a licensed business and everything. And long story short, I lend this guy 100 grand and him scam me. Like he moved, like him proof of address, he moved from where he did live and like number change, and so I stopped that business because I was robbed. $100,000 when me did save.
Yo, you have one life,
18-year-old Kimani. 100
Kimani, you have one life.
Cecil, anyway there, I wish the best for you.
Wow.
Still remember your name.
And so right after that now, and I guess did you move on to something else before you jumped to YouTube? Or was it like after that now then you ended up like, okay, I'm going to be doing YouTube?
After that, I wasn't doing YouTube first.
Which job you went on to next?
It wasn't a job, like, oh my god, I didn't even see YouTube as a job.
You were a gigolo?
What's that?
Like 1 PA for 6. We don't know. If you have, comment down below. But yeah.
No, I would never do that. I was doing what? Oh, wow.
How much job you do, Kimani?
Like I was working at a call center. That's it. It was a call center, and then after that, like, me did the YouTube while I was in the call center. Then I got laid off, and then me just did always stay home.
Out of all the other things, I'm like, what make you say, yo, me gonna try the YouTube thing there, and also pranking.
There was a drive, bro. Like I had a drive. Like I didn't have anything else doing, and I just thought that maybe I could really try this thing.
Do you think people would want to actually watch you?
To be honest, the reaction that I got when I did like my first prank.
What was the first prank? As Iheartmanii.
The first official prank as Iheartmanii.
Oh wow! Don't tell me say that's one.
Was a video where I got whipped cream. And I got some plastic plates, and you know the pie.
I remember that video. Now that you mention it, he went around. You went around Sovereign with the paper plate with whipped cream in it, and he literally went like this in random people's face. I don't know why you would have gotten the idea to do that, especially in Jamaica, but I guess it's something you wouldn't do again, right?
So my little page with 4,000 followers, I said the video get about 15k views. I was like, what the hell? People like this crap. Let me go try something else. And then we're gonna make a video where like the invisible object. Like
that was cool. That was cool.
I love that video.
That was cool. And then you kept on doing your video to the kept on keeping the videos going to the point where TVJ reached out to you for your interview on
yeah, I think I scam me. Somebody the first interview I had was
it on the radio?
It was on the radio.
Yeah,
it was Zip 103. I don't even have a recording of that.
Probably can't link them. I probably can't message somebody and hopefully you get it. And then you ended up.
I doubt they have that. That's a long time.
No, man, they have a radio station and everything stored and saved off, you know. That them have like things where they're probably there. And it's not that long ago. And then you did the radio interview and then did TVJ. What was that experience? Oh.
The Star. Yeah, remember picture like. Remember picture where
I think it's your DP on Instagram, no?
Yeah, like that, it's like a flex. Like I'm reading the paper and I'm on the back of the paper. Like I don't know, but yeah. And then the TVJ interview, like somebody emailed me, oh, I'm a producer from TVJ and I want it. I'm like, you can't scam me. Get out of here. But then like I think we did Messenger. I think I was bored the day. It's like 4 days after me replying to brother. I really did not believe it.
Yeah.
Anyway, they must say, oh, they might try to reach me and let me talk to you. And the person called me and the person genuinely sound like a person we deal with. Interviews.
Like media and producing and them something.
Yeah, like you, but like a little bit better, you know?
Why would you? You could have just said, why do you have to say that?
Well, yeah, so the people them link me and say, yo, TV boom bang bang. I'm sure you're gonna put like a clip or something. I don't know. Well,
why you editing my video for me? So much what you plan to do it. Why you edit?
Alright, so it doesn't have to be April 1 to play a prank, but what about those who religiously play them right throughout the year? They're called pranksters. And I've got one with me now, Kimani White, is more popularly known by his Instagram name, which is at Iheartmanii. That's it. Yeah. Money. Yeah. That's it. Short for Kimani. Oh. Yeah.
But you don't know, man. So
yeah, I remember they didn't show me anybody really want to do.
I'd like to say I didn't have any clothes during the interview or shoes. And rushing Duttyberry. You know, like I'm saying first name, but me I say rushing buy me a pair of shoes. Big up myself, G. If help me in the dark, help me, if help me buy me a pair of shoes and if help me get some clothes from the trends. Big up the trends.
But yeah,
big up the trends, you see me? If you give me them clothes there. Check out the interview on my channel at Iheartmanii right here.
Yeah, it was like put up on the spot, but like that was a cool moment. I mean, I tell us like, yo, no, like, do this no one? I mean, listen, Money, as much as him going with the antics, like, it's not a dunce brother, and that's why I always talk to him. I say, I don't want you constantly portray yourself to be like this little boy. We're probably just there roadside. I'm not wanting in life. Come here, like when I reason with you, you have a heap of intellect and you made some things where probably people your age don't usually mids. And when you shout and you say, yo, and you even tell me say, I could have pick up, say, you're kind of nervous to do the TVJ interview. I mean, I say, forward over, and I think a couple of your friends and your girlfriend forward too.
We never look at the interview now.
And you never wanted the interview and we have to sit you down and like, this is the importance.
We never did want to go up on TV. Imagine.
I don't know why you never see the value in it.
Them give me a chance to go up on TV and we never did want to go. We did fool in it.
We had to be convincing him like legit, and I think he did come over. He did come over and we did one whole mock interview.
Where we did practice it.
So we practice to see like how comfortable you would be like answering questions. I mean like so tell me about and ask the truth. Don't 90% of the quiz question them are the no talk the truth. Talk the truth. The practice where you get for the interview don't pretty much hit the go when you reach a TVJ. No, talk the truth. Not talk the truth.
Alright, yeah. But to be honest, if you look at my legs, the whole time my legs are like up. So me have anxiety, but like
and a miserable day for that TVJ. But like, kid you not? You see when money reach, like yo, money is just like yo, appear foolish, me go up, me go chat, say you know. So everybody like me and like two of my friend them, our three were there, and money nervous now money I say appear stupidest me go talk. But you see when the camera literally went on and money did it, it's just like all of a sudden money I use words we not even know so they didn't have vocabulary.
No, all you have to do is just forget where you are, you know?
Yeah, but
just
you make everybody
you
nervous the day, and you went there and you just killed it. You killed the interview. You killed the interview.
It's still my YouTube channel. I can do whatever I want.
You get help from anyone?
My friends.
They give you the ideas or they just help you with the prank?
I have so big up Pong helping with ideas. Jordan.
You have a friend named Pong?
Yes. Pong helping with ideas.
Are you come on TV?
This is what we call him Pong. And
Pong?
Yeah.
What is it? Pong?
Pong. P-O-N-G.
It can get worse.
That is just the man. If you look at that camera, like people that talk about the pro things, like you don't want like talk about it. So where do you plan to? What do you think about like the pranking scene? Or like when you look on YouTube now, like since you've
I'd like to
a lot
say,
of people are doing pranks now.
I mean, kind of
show your love.
Gate, huh?
Them show your love, or
of
is it
course, yo, big up Rolly, big up Razor. Others we alone.
Oh yeah. But I say others. I say like others, but them not really.
Pang them on my team, so
yeah.
You see me? So big up Rolly, Razor. I don't know. I mean, kinda influence them. Them can't say them me, you know. Them can't.
Suppose them say about you, man.
I lie them I tell, cause me put on my big boy brief and go prank people first, and then the man them have me influence them. Any how them say them me not gonna believe, but you don't know. Yo, Rolly, that you see that you that invest in them videos more than me. That boy go for goat in them video. That boy.
We saying I go to them lens there.
Yo, the man, that different brother like, and then him do a video where like, the foreigner.
Yeah, I'm see man like he's
you're retarded.
He's very talented. But like yo, you have Pong that does the videos them with you. Like, what a relationship with you two like why on a vibe and why they seem to be like working so well together.
Dog, to be honest, Pong is like one of the few persons where understand me.
Oh, okay.
You see me?
Boy, you're very boy. For somebody understand you know like them better boy.
And to be honest, me have this thing where like Jano, I am messed up and I don't know how this youth still apart me. You see me? Pong big up yourself.
Yeah man, Pong is a real youth. He's a real youth and him actually believe and support and give this thing a straight. I'm sure say that and you appreciate the assistance we give you from time to time.
Subscribe, please like the video, it share, it helps to.
You say that.
May I say it again?
Let me say so.
Alright, go on.
So people, please just share the video, like it, because me and Mani, we don't have nowhere to live. Like, we literally don't live nowhere.
We don't live anywhere.
Like, we don't live nowhere. We're broke.
YouTube change our lives.
Change our lives.
We can buy food.
Hallelujah! Change it! God Almighty! It changed! YouTube changed our lives!
What is going on here?
No, where do you plan to take this prank into? You have 50,000 subscribers now. You've been doing prank after prank and you seem to be developing.
I'm gonna make video till them get tired of me. And then more and buy like a couple car and put taxi on the road and make some money.
Okay, that's not bad. Are you fearful though of every one day you feel like a prank will get it go too far. Cause we see this stuff them already. Where you know, like either people are keeping on say, yo, him so a theme time, you know, Lord of mercy, and yeah. Like, are you fearful of one day those predictions will come to life in terms of what people say, like, yo, one day something I'm gonna do, you know? Are you worried about that?
No, I'm not a pessimist. If you think like that, it's gonna happen. If you go with the mentality where, you know, you go the opposite of optimistic, you'll be fine. Like, you know, plus I'm very talkative, you know. I can talk myself out of anything.
So, yeah, that's true.
So, like, to be honest, me, if you ask Pong or ask me, man pull gun power, but 6 times.
Yeah, I would not be doing pranking after that. Nope. Nope.
The last time was a joke. Like the police officer, like him did no way. Like that him saying about him pull the gun for me and him rub it in on my side.
Nope.
But now I ever get from the whole ass. And then him say,
you see the white light? You see the white light?
Nah, but him say a joke and thing.
Yeah.
But it made me terrified for a short 4.5 seconds. You know what I'm saying? But,
yeah. What's your most successful video to date? Just a thing about it, like, what's your most successful video to date?
My most successful video is the bombing one. It actually got took down before. I'm re-upload it, and that shit still got views, bro.
Yeah. And people also love to see when you do the drop your money on the ground thing, and
that's my second most.
People love seeing that. Yeah.
That's my second most. Like, my favorite pranks to do are with money. Like, I love doing. People are so gullible, bro. They will lie their skin off for a little bit of money. Trust me, people.
You ever wonder, like, if that's how you would have reacted? Like, let's just say that you were doing pranking and somebody did that prank and drop a money.
No, it's not mine. Hell no, I'm not gonna react like that.
Oh no, but that's what I said, because it make every time when I see you do your videos, I always wonder, like, would I be that person where if something dropped me, I'd be like, yo,
because I wouldn't want somebody to do it to me. So don't steal.
Alright, well, on that note, I'm going to say thank you very much, Manii, for joining my DBS exclusive and sitting on for this track. You should have done this from a long time ago. And let me just say that I hope you continue upon your path and that you keep being creative, and I consider you a friend, and I actually rate and I think that you're very talented, and the fact that you even edit, I'm gonna sit down and say you broke up phone. So anybody out there want to sponsor Manii a phone or you know whatever, like, make sure you do that. But like the fact that you actually have your phone and you teach yourself to edit and I do green screen and I do all of that now on your broke up phone, I'm like, can you imagine when you get a laptop, or if you actually got one of them school if you learn how to do like proper visual effects? Do you know the things that you could have been capable of? It's crazy.
Probably.
And so like, I just hope you continue upon your path, and I'm sure your fans them are gonna be rooting for you. Like, you have a name for your fans them? What do you call it? The Maniites?
Call them peeps.
Oh, wow, that's very.
What's up, peeps?
That's very original. Like,
everybody say guys. Like, I'm not call them guys.
No, man. I said burritos.
Man,
you could have your own name like the Hearts.
Like what? Let's make it up right now. Like what?
You know, the Heartsy.
Alright, leave it in the comments. Where
the Pranksters, the Prankistas, the Prankites. I don't know, you could have find a name. You know, Iheart Family, Iheart Nation, Manii Nation. Like you could be something.
It's gonna be
Manii Squad.
What the no?
No.
It's like a name peeps. Yo,
Pranksters. Yo, comment down below which one of them name them actually take the cake. Like, I know one of them was actually good. Okay? One of them was actually good. But yeah, before you go now, I want you to, yo, wake up, man. I want you to look into the camera and put on your professional face now, man. Put professional face. You know, like, alright, you're about to go read budget debate. I'm more if actually in your own way, because a lot of the youth them look up to you and giving you pass and all the mess that you go through. I'm sure so you learn now. Look to them, look to the camera now and just talk to the youth them, like, who want to get into them social media thing or try to develop them talent. What kind of advice you get to them, and how to just like make that transition from like a teenager to an adult. Like anything along those lines where you want to say.
The best advice. I'm not good at advices, so let me give you advice that somebody told me. The best advice I got is, if you know if you do something but you don't want to do it, you know, procrastination creep up on you. Take it up for 2 minutes. Take it up for 2 minutes. After that 2 minutes, if you still feel like you don't want to do it, put it back down. Even if you're not gonna finish do it, that 2 minutes there, it's better than none. Plus, usually when you take it up for the 2 minutes, you're gonna want to continue, because the hardest part is to start. So that's the best advice I ever got.
Actually, I appreciate that, and I also want you to speak to the fact that because you're in a situation you end up turning to crime to sort of temporarily fix whatever you were going through at the time. Talk to the youth them out there as to how they can condition their mind to not turn into crime.
Oh, dog. Trust me, do something else. Trust me, dog. The high risk, high reward thing, you know, worth it. Me, I tell you, brother. Talk like about a cat, brother. Nah, but bigger one thing, like, if I don't even know, like, I wouldn't wish jail for my worst enemy. Just imagine that. Like, enough people me hate, but me wouldn't send them go there. So just find something to do. Go read a book. Go
learn a skill. Go do a YouTube video.
Yeah, man, go make a channel like something, man. Cause if man like me, where I only have 4 CXC subjects, I can't talk them things because I don't care, to be honest. I only have, like, go find something to do. You see me? Like, don't go to jail. Yeah, that's my advice. I don't know if it's good advice.
No, man, I appreciate it coming from you. I understand you don't really like talk. This is how you talk about, like, when you talk about pain. I understand, so just so you kind of deliver it. So, but I'm pretty much sure so them when I get the message and who it for resonate with, they will take heed. And at this point in time, you're gonna just make it tell people where them can find you if they want advertise, bookings, whatever like that. Where them go to?
Yo, so if you want features, bookings,
yes,
advertisement,
yes,
free set. Wait, what?
Free what?
Oh,
wow. Boom, put some price, man.
Yeah, we don't know. Link me at Iheartmanii on Instagram and follow me, subscribe me on YouTube.
Email?
Yes, it's kimanisoclassic@gmail.com.
So we're gonna put it right here, but they can message you on
Instagram. I'm gonna answer. I mean, if it's about you don't know, but yeah, but you don't know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, because I want to have more subscribers than Duttyberry. So subscribe to me, please. I have 50,000 right now.
You will have more than me very shortly.
Me walk a while. Me no come from Boya. Me a countryman, is it?
Can I get some of the AdSense money, the YouTube money? What is about that? You say you make about a good 600,000 last month, and me say so in a year. So like think like a like 100 grand, man. And you're a friend from, you know, that's all me say, like, you know. All right, that's how you live. Okay. All right. Wow. Well, I guess that is that. Peace out.
And at the time, I think I was a Christian.
Wait, what? Wait, you like we went to church and baptized and all that?
Yeah, baptized.
No, man, I want to hear more about that. So,
yeah.
I want to hear. Tell me about that. Like, how was it?